G'day everyone, got chicken feed, scratch mix to open up. Everyone's got chickens now. These things were designed by Bastards Incorporated. Best way to open these things up, you got two sides. You got like a double stitch side, and the back of them you got a single stitch side. Best way to open is the double stitch side. Start with a double stitch to the front. I'll work from right to left. Just stick the scissors under the first, just underneath the first couple of stitches there. Look at that. You might get a little bit stuck, but you can, look at that. Ta-da! Job done. Taken me years to learn that.